Welcome back, guys, to another full trade recap video. Today I took a loss, my first loss in just over a month. So let's break down the trade I took, why I took the trade, and obviously my week so far has been, I think, 2 or 3 break evens, and then this has been my loss to finish the week. That's why there's been no trade recap videos on YouTube today. So on YouTube this week. So let's jump into it. Very high probability setup, but obviously price action not playing out this week very nicely. But these are the weeks it's so important to manage your discipline and manage your patience and follow your rules, most importantly. So coming into today's session, what are we looking at? On the 4-hour chart, I'm more bearish. The reason being is that obviously you can see that we're in almost this sell model. We're looking like we're coming down to these relatively equal lows. So I'm more bearish until proven otherwise. So we have these draws above, but they're very far above. As you can see here, respecting bearish gaps right here, respecting bearish gap here, and respecting another bearish gap right here. So respecting all bearish gaps with absolutely no inverses or changing the structure to the upside. We're still printing bearish. So my bias is bearish until proven otherwise. Even if you come down to the lower time frame today, this was my analysis. We have 30-minute delivery right here as well. We're delivering from this 30-minute fair value gap as well on the shorter term. And then if you go down to the 15-minute, we're inside this 15-minute fair value gap. So absolutely everything is delivering us bearish right now. So until we break some of these bearish gaps, I cannot possibly be bearish. And I'm looking for this level of sell-side liquidity. If you look how price delivers here out of this first 15-minute gap, I was actually looking for a setup here, but we never actually got one off of open. So here was market open there, and we had one on the we had an inverse to the downside here on the 15-second, but I do not trade the 15-second time frame. Unfortunately, I only trade the 30-second or higher. As you can see, this played out super nicely down to this low. So this was kind of the move I was looking for, but my general draw on liquidity here, as you can see, was still intact. So if we go to the 5-minute here, we look at this 5-minute close, what we did here, so price has tapped into this unfilled 15-minute fair value gap. We've then closed down through this series of up close candles, giving us a 5-minute change in the state of delivery. So we've closed below these series of up close candles, giving us that 5-minute change in the state. And then if I went down to the 1-minute time frame and I was looking for us to tap back into this order block, and then give us a position lower. As you can see, we're putting a super obvious fair value gap there, and then we got that strong close there through the gap. So respecting at this time this 5-minute CISD, super strong rejection towards back down towards this major sell side. Like I said, delivery from this 30-minute above, delivering from this 15-minute, and everything was bearish structure on the higher time frame. So I simply took this inversion on the candle close, stop loss resting at the high of this candle right here, and then I targeted a simple 1-to-1 on this trade, and I was ready to go break even when we hit this swing low. So as you can see, I got chopped about here. I ended up getting stop loss, and then we just chopped and chopped and chopped around. And as you can see, we ended up coming higher today. So the one negative to this trade, which I need to journal, of course, is the fact that we are very low in discount when entering into this trade. But besides that, everything aligned here. Everything was super bearish. I had bearish conviction, which is why I took a short so deep in discount. Obviously today I paid the price for it. It's my first loss in a long time, but I will take it. I will journal it, and I will see if there is anything I could have done better. But this trade definitely looks good to me. We had the delivery, we had the high time frame bias in our direction, and we had the nice 1-minute inversion fair value gap. So that's going to be it for today. This was the trade I took. I got off straight away. As you can see, there was obviously this short right here that lost straight afterwards. That's why I stop after one loss, guys, because if a high quality setup like this for me fails straight away, that's a very bad sign for price action for me. So I will just get off. I'll be done for the day, and I'll come back the next day. So this week for me has been pretty slow. If you want to see the full weekly results, ask me any questions about this week, and ask me any psychological questions as well, because a lot of people have been struggling this week. But obviously I just followed my rules. I'm down on the week, which is absolutely fine. It's part of trading. Drop me a message on Discord and I'll get back to you guys. The link, it'll be one of the top links in the description. Hopefully this video has been useful for you guys. This is still a high quality setup that I would take, so do not expect every single setup you take to be a winning trade, and you won't go far wrong. So like I said, any questions, message me on Discord. Make sure to subscribe for more free educational content, and I'll see all of you guys in the next one.